President of the North American, Central American and Caribbean Athletic Association, NACAC, Mike Sands, says he's working towards plans to stage the CARIFTA Games in Hamilton, Bermuda next year. The 2020 staging of the event was cancelled due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Sands says he's in dialogue with the authorities in Bermuda to ensure the track and field carnival takes place during Easter of next year. The 49th staging of the CARIFTA Games is set to run from April 2 to 5. Jamaica has topped the medal table at every edition of the CARIFTA Championship since 1985. The Jamaica Football Federation could know on Tuesday if the Premier League gets the go-ahead for a November 14 kickoff. They are set to meet with the Ministry of Health, where they will present more appropriate protocols regarding the start of the Premier League. The JFF had sent in protocols which were deemed insufficient, but President Michael Ricketts says they have now put together better protocols.
Our medical team led by Dr. R. Scott would have been very integral in the preparation of this document. So it was sent to both Minister Granger's office and Dr. Tufton's office. The key persons in both these ministries would have looked at the document. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get a definitive response, and then we'll certainly take it from there.
Ricketts believes that they now have the right document, which will give them the green light for a restart.
We must bear in mind that the health and welfare of our athletes is paramount, and not just our athletes, every single Jamaican. So we would have prepared a document with that in mind, and it will certainly be left to us as to how we manage the risk, because certainly it will be a risk managing the start of the league. So we just want to ensure that we maintain whatever protocols would have been put in place, and hopefully that we will have the start and a successful completion of this year's premiership.
Now, Ricketts says if they cannot get a November 14 start, then a December 6 date is being considered.